And we are back, y'all. Are you ready, Jordan?
I am.
Alright, here we go. More cat games. Let's do this.
Hey, told you don't touch the incubator. It's already redneck rigged. You're gonna mess it up.
Yeah.
It's gonna fall.
I
Test gone. Oh,
damn, knocked over the camera. Stuck the landing. Damn.
look at that cat. Is that a bow tie? That's a bow tie on the kitten.
Oh, I wonder how they mounted it on the kitten's chest.
I don't know, but that's adorable looking.
Oh no, when they didn't mount it, they just had a little thing around its neck and then it.
That's cute. Look at that kitten.
That is adorable, though I think it is trying to get the bow tie off.
It's trying to take it off.
That's like mine. Look at the way it's walking, bro.
That is funny.
I said, what the hell is that? Ice cream. What in the world?
What's wrong with you?
That's what it sounds like.
First vet appointment is going great.
Oh, that damn cat hair.
Holy shit. That's crazy. What in the world? That cat looks like it has laser eyes. It literally has beams coming out of its eyes.
That is weird.
That is weird. Oh yeah, that one has it too. It looks like it has laser vision. That's hilarious.
This is why Maxwell's not allowed to watch cat TV anymore.
Oh, shit!
Yeah, cats are crazy like that, but goddamn. Try not to break the TV, cat.
With his leg.
When your pet
What?
turns into the animal he used to be.
This
What?
is what we do when we're
Lol.
bringing in groceries from outside. We
Oh my god, I remember this one.
put our cats in here because, guys, I swear, it's no animal abuse or nothing. These run out every second they get. This trying to run out into the basket. Whoa, chill out.
That's funny.
Oh, that was an epic fail.
It's like, I'm okay.
Hey, yo, Travi, where them bars at? Okay.
Damn.
It don't stop.
That was actually pretty good.
That was.
Damn. He really about to rock my shit.
Well, hello there.
Hi, kitty.
What the? Okay, now you just. Why are you twerking with two kittens in your pants, bro? Why? She's
Cat's
twerking.
heads, though. Look at the cat's heads, though. Bobble.
Oh my god, that's crazy.
Vente,
That's actually crazy.
Aww.
vente.
Oh, you gotta feel bad for that person. Oh,
Aww.
the hell was that? That was that last one. Hold on.
You go for
Vente.
That's okay, that's gross.
Oh, okay.
Serve me, human.
You got 4 treats from Dad. And you're begging me now. Nugget. No more.
Literally
Well.
sounds like a pigeon.
It does sound like a pigeon.
Okay. That's crazy.
Soul Scissor, why is it so hard to accept that the party is over?
Us crying that Harold will die soon.
Girl, you got school in the morning. Get your ass in the car.
Hi, kitty. I got you too. I was trying to be nice to you. Thank you. ¿Qué pasó? ¿Dónde están sus patitas? Se quedó sin patitas.
That cat looks like it's out.
Can that cat even breathe? How's it breathing?
Whoa! Jeez.
That cat got scared to death.
It did.
Hi, Oreo. Are you standing up? Are you the standing cat? Good, Oreo.
What? A good spot to sit? Nice.
Someone just burped in the background.
Yeah.
How do you expect to get down from there?
Oh my god! Okay.
I guess like that.
I guess, yeah, just like that.
What are you doing here?
So I read on the
Dang.
internet that cats get on your laptop because they're mirroring you, and so if you get them their own laptop, they'll leave you alone. And look at this little businessman!
Ew. Not gonna lie, that food actually looks good.
It does.
Woo!
Nice.
Nice jump.
My blankie. My blankie. That's actually what it is. That's my blankie.
I was like, nope, box. So I made this box.
That's not how you get inside it.
Wakey, it's time for school. Come on. Wake
Aww.
up, it's time for school. Come on, man.
Thought my wife.
Oh, that was
mad I
a
stayed up-
fluffy kitten.
Yeah.
Look how fluffy that is.
Look
Look how fluffy it
She'd
is.
be mad I stayed up late playing games. She wasn't, but Diz was.
It's like, what the hell are you doing? This cat is a liar. The people feed her well, and she is loved by many also. Do not let her into the shop. Oh my goodness. Well, hello there.
You want to go in?
I've been picked on 3 times today. Oh, because of my trousers. What's wrong with your trousers? Look at the size of them.
Oh my god!
What the hell? Why was that cat's head so small compared to its body?
Because it's a very, very chunky cat. Good lord.
No, but I've never seen a cat's head that's so small compared to the rest of its body.
The groomer
Dang.
gave me back the wrong cat.
Look how fluffy that cat is.
Yeah, I definitely want to pet that. And we're just talking about how fluffy it is. They cut the cat's freaking fluff off.
Yeah, that looks dumb.
That actually worked.
Wow.
That legit sounds like a lion.
That does. What is that cat doing?
So here we are, where all of your
I've seen that one, but in like I think it was in like a talking cat video or something.
friends
Yeah.
are eating nice chicken, and your
You
ass wants Cheetos. Like, is that?
That's funny.
Give me
Is that
Cheetos.
what's happening right now?
Oh, nice.
Let it go.
Oh, look at dog getting.
They said, you little kitten. Adorable.
It's always pouring. It's all
Monday,
purring.
Tuesday,
Yep. Yep.
Wednesday,
Yep.
Thursday,
Yep.
Friday,
No.
Saturday.
No.
Meow if you stink.
I think it means cats. Yeah, cats sleep every day of the week like that.
Yep. Sleeping.
Can't believe
Lazy
it. Can't believe this idiot fell for it. Wait, that last one I didn't really get. I'm not supposed to do
Saturday.
the whole thing.
Meow if you stink.
Meow. Meow if you stink.
Yep, I got that one.
Oh. I don't know what's going on there.
Is there a cat under this rug? Let me check. Is there a cat under this rug? Let me check. Is there a cat under this rug? I will check if there's a cat. Let me check if there's a cat under this rug.
Michael, you poor sweet
Oh,
thing.
jeez.
You don't have a thought behind those
What is it? I've never seen a cat like that.
eyes, do you?
Oh, I've seen this one. I've seen this cat.
Look how angry that cat is.
Персик, персик. Молодой человек. Персик.
Right. So the kittens are supposed to stay in here, right? I'll show you how well this is going.
Oh no, they're climbing over. Oh no, he's climbing over.
It's that one. It's that one that's climbing over.
I
The
tried
rest of them
spraying
will
him
stay
with
in.
a water bottle when he does this, and he does
that
not
cat is so intelligent.
care. And then he runs.
That's actually kind of funny. He runs away.
There it is, runs away.
Where did you go?
I love you, Pinto Bean.
Oh, what next? You're gonna name. Why do you name all your cats all these random shit?
I don't know.
Pinto Bean, really?
Pinto bean. Sheesh.
What next? You're gonna name your cat Lima Bean?
Or vanilla.
Do you love all your friends? And all your fans? What do you want to tell them?
I'm cold. He looks cold. What's that cat staring? Oh, there's something out there. What's out there?
I have to see because the way the window is.
That looks like a bird. Yeah.
Yep, that was a
Yeah, it was a bird.
No. That's cute. That's like, stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop. What are you doing, man? Stop it. Damn. These two cats have the zoomies.
Apparently. Aww.
That was so mean. Are you okay?
That was kind of mean.
It was.
You can see the cat's glowing eyes through the curtain. That's actually kind of funny.
Her arms were cut off. Her legs were cut off. Her ears were cut off. Her tongue was cut off. Her nose was cut off. Her eyeballs were plucked.
What are you doing? You're just trying to work. She's just trying to work, and this cat is interfering.
No. All the rest of them were like quiet and content. Quiet and content whenever they were done eating, and this one is trying to eat my finger.
Crazy.
That's in a classroom.
That's pretty interesting. Well, I guess that's it. What did you think of that one, Dorian?
That was a pretty decent one. It was a I think they only showed like maybe 2 or 3 that we've already seen, so that's not bad.
Yeah, that seems to be a common theme. I show a couple we've already seen.
Well, that's not. Yeah, that's not too bad compared to, I think, one of the cat meme videos we saw like 5 or 6.
Yeah. Well, either way, that's it for us for now, y'all. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like. Be sure to enjoy making it too.
Yeah, we did.
So yeah, stay awesome. Have a great time.
Keep on rocking.